I like to harvest the plant when it first starts flowering and before it sets seed. So if you think about the life cycle of a plant, if you want to think about which part of the herb is medicinal or which part of the herb are you trying to harvest, and then think about the stage of the plant stage the plant is in. So for Tulsi, it's the aerial herb that is medicinal. So you want to think about harvesting the plant when most of the energy is in the leaves, and then it starts moving into the flowers. And once the plant has been pollinated and it starts moving into setting seed, the energy of the plant is going into the reproduction, into creating the seeds. So less of the vitality. I mean, you can still see these plants really have beautiful, vibrant leaves, but the energy of the plant is moving into the seed. So for our purposes of harvesting the plant while it is in flower or just the aerial herb, I like to get it a little bit before this, and it happens pretty quick. These plants grow really fast, so there's kind of a short window, which is you have to catch. So harvesting the herb, we tincture it fresh, as I was saying, and about 60 to 70% alcohol to get some of those nice volatile qualities of the plant. It's really, really aromatic herb. And then we also distill this for a spagyric essence. So we distill the essential oil from it and make a herbal wine, and then distill the spirits from that. It's just some of the ways that we use this herb. And then I think Seja had mentioned, it's actually really lovely tasting plant. So you can also harvest the leaves and dry them and use them in teas, which is not something I would say of most of the herbs in my garden. Most of the herbs I grow, they don't taste that great, and I don't really like to drink them as tea, but Tulsi is a really nice herb to just add to tea blends or to just drink on its own.